morning. It's day 2 of Vlogmas. I should probably be more excited than this, but your girl is tired. I was up at what time? 3 a.m. And when I wake up in the middle of the night, I don't go back to sleep for like another hour and a half, 2 hours. So that's what happened. Didn't go back to sleep until like 5. Maybe after that, to be honest, because I heard people downstairs in the kitchen getting ready for work. So I'm tired. When I came downstairs and I saw my Christmas tree, I got happy. So let's get the day started. Why leave the food in the rain as opposed to... Okay. Beggars can't be choosers, I suppose. I haven't been having luck with these Uber people. Last night, they left my order at the wrong door. And then this one smells like weed. Like, all they do is fucking smoke in the car. That's nasty. I don't want to smell that. I'm about to eat. Yummy. You know what the worst part about eating sushi is? When it's almost done. Oh my god. It was so good. And the avocado roll really surprised me. Like, that's good. I like that. I'm so happy I told him to put crunch on it because it made it that much better. Love this for me. All right, so I'm taking a little bit of time out of my day to complete something so very exciting. I have 23andMe pack and I have the Ancestry one. So we're gonna do a comparison. We're gonna do them side by side. We're gonna do all the things that they tell us to do. So I got the base level for both of them. Took advantage of that good old Black Friday sale. Okay. And then, so first things first, I got them both opened, well, out the plastic. I can brand new. Here is the Ancestry one. Let me put the freaking light on. But I have to use my phone to register these kits, so I'm just using my computer to record this. All right, ready to begin your DNA story. It's easy to get started. Activate your kits, collect your saliva, mail your sample, and explore your results, which will be here in a few weeks. So, first thing I'm gonna do is scan this QR code that's here. Would you like to continue signed in as a Dory St. Lawrence? Yes, I already have an Ancestry account, and I recently signed in with it, so there we go. Enter the 15-digit activation code located on your collection tube. DNA processing consent. I consent to Ancestry's collection and processing of my DNA and other sensitive personal information such as my ethnicity and national origin. Make sure you read these things, please, people. I have to get consent if I want to do it, right? For that part. Sample storage now. DNA sample storing is voluntary. You can activate your DNA kit and receive your results even if you do not give consent. Do you give consent to store your sample in our secure storage facility? I do not give consent for that, because why? Participate in research. Participation is voluntary. You can activate your DNA kit and receive your results even if you do not give consent. No, I don't want nothing extra. Just tell me where I'm from. DNA matches. When we process your DNA sample, we compare your results to other Ancestry members to see if you have a DNA in common. Yep, sure would. Next. Success. You have successfully activated your Ancestry DNA test. Have you already? It's actually very fitting that I'm wearing this shirt today. So this is half of my heritage of where half of my family comes from. My mom's side of the family comes from Guyana. My dad's side of the family comes from Trinidad and America. So these test results will be interesting to say the least, because when you look at me, right, what would you think I am? You know, sometimes I get Hispanic, but I identify as a Black woman, right? However, my ancestry, my heritage is very, very mixed. Like, not with just black and white, like it's mixed. So there's that. All right, register a kit. We're in 23andMe app right now. Oh look, I just got an email from Ancestry already. Okay. Oh, so here's the tube. This is the 23andMe kit. So here's the tube inside the kit. So on my mom's side of the family, on the Guyanese side, my great-great-grandfather is white. Like, I even have a picture of him and everything. His name is John C. Brummel. And yeah, he is a white man. And then my great-great-grandmother, the person who he had kids with, she looks Indian, like from India. Maybe mixed with white, maybe, because she was kind of light skinned because I have a picture of her as well. But those are the oldest relatives or ancestors that I have pictures of, is my great-great-grandparents on my mom's side. I would also not be surprised, right? So my great-grandfather, right, he died within the last 8 years, right? So he's been a part of my life for a very long time. Yeah, he was a part of my life for a very long time. And he was dark skinned, right? And you would assume dark skin from Guyana, probably a descendant of African slaves, which I believe his father was. But the key is in the hair. His hair. This is not to say that Africans cannot have soft, like loose hair, but his hair was like soft and loose. He always kept it short from when I was a kid, but yes, very short. I mean, very loose. And I'm like, what is he mixed with? My grandmother, his daughter, I believe she said maybe Indian as well, so from India. But I would not be surprised if there's some natives, like indigenous of Guyana, run into that blood there. Because my family looks all types of different ways on my mom's side. On my dad's side as well too, surprisingly. Now my dad's mom, my paternal grandmother, she's the American in the family. I believe she's from Tennessee. And yeah, that's all I know about that. I don't know about anything about her parents or anything. But she married my grandfather, who is from Trinidad, but he's light skin. Like, he's light skin. So I know Trinidad had Spanish settlers at some point. The name, obviously, Trinidad, and the capital, Port of Spain. But so I'll probably have some Spanish going through there, maybe. I don't know. He really light, so that's the only reason why I'm assuming that. But I know I'm gonna have a heavy amount of English in that blood there, and a heavy amount, maybe a good amount of Spanish, I don't know if the black is gonna be that intense. I think that's so, like, it's gonna be so fun to watch. I think it's gonna be so fun to watch. All right, privacy statement, hold on. Yes, so the first part you obviously have to consent to, because you're consenting to them actually processing your DNA. So if you want a DNA test, guess what? You have to consent to the DNA test, okay? But as far as like storage and stuff like that, that's optional, because that does not impact your results. I just had, why did this thought just come in my head? So I just ate. I ate sushi, right? It was eel and cucumber, eel and avocado rolls. And why I just had it in my head, what if I spit in the tube and they see that I'm part eel? Can I even drink water? Oh my God. I'm so stupid. Now you can spit. Follow kit instructions to spit in the tube provided. Yeah, they're different. So this is 23andMe, and this is Ancestry. All right. Replace the funnel with the cap. Okay, so this is the funnel that you spit into. That's attached, and then we have a cap here, I'm guessing to preserve and stuff. Okay. Less than 1/4 teaspoon. Oh, it really is. That was quick. I spit in here maybe like twice just now. Okay. I'd also say that this is nasty. It's a tube of my spit, my saliva. Anyways. Now we unscrew that. We screw the cap on. All right, we're gonna shake. 1, 2, 3. All right, so we're done with Ancestry. See, now this is an interesting design. I haven't done it yet, but I think I already like Ancestry's design better. Next step was to close this. Oh yeah, so as soon as it comes down here, I'm scared. We're unscrewing this, screwing the cap on. I'm going to take a picture of each box here because the tracking numbers are on them. So on my mom's side, on the Guyanese side, I know. So now we wait. I believe it's gonna take like 3 to 4 weeks. So maybe by Christmas, I'll get my results. It'll be my Christmas gift. We shall see.